Ready, start. Again, in the case of All India Railway Recruitment Board versus K. Shyam Kumar 2010 6 SCC 614 explained the principle of proportionality as a ground of judicial review of administrative action. The factor of proportionality has been considered with the following observations. Proportionality requires the court to judge whether action taken was really needed as well as whether it was within the range of courses of action which could reasonably be followed. Proportionality is more concerned with the aims and intention of the decision maker has achieved more or less the correct balance or equilibrium. Courts entrusted with the task of judicial review has to examine whether decision taken by the authority is proportionality, that is well balanced and harmonious. To this extent court may indulge in a merit review, and if the court finds that the decision is proportionate, it seldom interferes with the decision taken, and if it finds that the decision is disproportionate, that is, if the court feels that it is not well balanced or harmonious and does not stand to reason, it may tend to interfere. The matter about the disproportionate punishment for wrong disclosure of number of attempts by the petitioner has reasonably been considered by the division bench of this court in the case of Prem Chandra Yadav versus Union of India and others 2012 2 ESC 1021. The court has considered the question as to whether the candidate who does not disclose correctly the number of attempts that he has taken in the competitive examinations, whether the candidature of the petitioner can be debarred for further period of 10 years apart from the examinations in question. While considering the different pronouncement of Honorable the Apex Court, the court has decided that the such punishment is indiscriminate and held that the order for debarring the petitioner's candidature in the concerned examination also alone was sufficient, and the proportionate punishment we feel accede to the decision of the court. The prisoner at the time he filled up the civil services main examination form was undergoing his circumstances when he was rushing for obtaining the government job, and from his end he filled up almost all the examination form regarding examination conducted by the commission and UP commission responded number 2 and 3. In such a situation, it was most likely for the petitioner to have forgotten or misplaced the exact number of attempts made by him, or in any case, such a possibility cannot be excluded. Apart from it, nothing could be put forward on behalf of the Commission or the State Commission that while making wrong number of attempts, the petitioner has any malicious or fraudulent intention. On the contrary, the petitioner, being a literate person, could have easily considered that such wrong reply made by him may expose him to peril, and he was this wrong information by him may easily be detected, especially when the entire system with all the commissions is fully computerized. Since there is no such circumstances to suggest the malice on the part of the petitioner, the punishment of the petitioner for debarring for a further period of 10 years is indiscriminately disproportionate, and this court has every reason to accede to the view held by this court in the case of Prem Chandra Yadav supra referred to above.